Hi, my name is Dave. In this video, I'll be taking a closer look at how I've achieved a 35% gain in MTCH within 3 days. Let's have a look at the chart of MTCH and S&P 500. The top chart is S&P 500 and the bottom chart is MTCH. As you may have observed, despite SPX turning negative, MTCH was making new highs. For this play, I would like to enter a bullish trade. I would expect the price of MTCH to continue its upwards move even if S&P 500 is coming down. Entry is on 13 March with exit on 16 March. In summary, this is a bullish trade that has entry price of $3.15 and exit price of $4.23. Understanding the price movement of a stock versus the movement of the index creates a success in this trade. A nice 35% gain for this trade within 3 days. Let's take a quick look at the live statement of this trade. Entry date is 13 March with exit on 16 March. Entry price is $3.15 with exit price of $4.23. This trade has achieved a 35% gain within 3 days. Thanks for watching this video. You can watch more free videos at WhaleTrades.com.